Now, next step. I was talking the last time about the dragnets. I looked at the neutral box, I didn't know what it is in it, I was surprised about what it is in it and so on. Now, I worked further with this box. I took another box, doesn't matter. I worked further with the boxes. I started to read, I looked into it more carefully, and I realized that I had to tighten the dragnet and find out more about and find a system how to point the boxes in a certain way. This means I have to name them. Refine the boxes, it's kind of a work procedure. Work help. Now, for that I took the map of Joel, which Joel gave me, in order to interpret X line for a boxes better, Y line boxes better. And I coined this, I could relate this with a little help of my friend. I could relate the content of the box to one line in the map. The line is from fiction to concern with a side-step friendship. I explain what I found. I found a little a paper. It looks like an invitation for an announcement or something like that for an exhibition somewhere in Berlin at the redaction of Mono Verlag in Berlin. It was made in 2002. On this, the title of this paper is Weil es im Drehbuch steht. I think this sentence, that's fantastic. This is for us, this is very useful. This is very useful. I think this sentence, because it is written in the script, it's pre-written in script, that could be a chapter for our book for the official. The question about is there a prescript already there by creating X and Y and Z, or is there through the material, or is there no prescription? Because I just have to start to make a script. The script would be like taking some material and making connections to it. But there is an assumption that there is a script already, and I have to fight to deal with this script. This is nice. This will have to be elaborate. Now there is one. Let's take an example. There are two videos. I saw this video, the bullshit. There is a man standing, and I try to reenact that now. You're sitting in the. That's okay. There is a man pushing. There are two videos. On the left, there is a guy going to the knees, pushing his hands out, and the hands are falling out of the screen. So, and then he's coming back, and suddenly you see some hands pushing the guy to the back. And the other, on the right hand, is the same thing. So there are two figures pushing each other out of the screen. So I have that as a material. What is telling that about why? Telling that about why? You made an exhibition with someone together. I don't know if that's part of the same exhibition. I could ask Joel about that, but I don't. Joel and Bruno van der Meulen. we're working together. I can start to interpret. I can start to say, oh, probably that's him, that's someone else. The person which is on the video, the animation, is called Harry. Rechts Harry, links Harry. So it stands for sort of kind of a conflict. Stands for a certain kind of having a conflict, having a competition together, being together, pushing some material from one to the other. I don't know. Shall I interpret it this way? I think at a certain point I will have to, but that's the moment where the narration starts. And I'm not there.